Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. The concept of sky gardens is nothing but beautiful. This is the time and place where you can spend your minutes and hours accompanied by nature at the best. The high-rise gardens have a way of attracting almost everyone and anyone. This is the reason why this concept of sky gardens has been adopted by a number of luxurious hotels in order to attract all their clients and customers. Want to know the best sky garden in the world where you can enjoy quality time with all your loved ones? Here are the top 7 most beautiful sky gardens in the world. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 7. Namba Parks. Namba Parks is located in Osaka, city of Japan, and the same is considered to be the 7 most beautiful sky gardens of the world. These parks are located through the beautiful rocks and thickets which further make the view all the more pleasing. The Namba Parks have been designed by the iconic architect John Jordan of America, who completed the design in the year 2003. And other important thing, you can cite a shopping mall here. Number 6. Highline Park. The Highland Park is located in the Big Apple and the same happens to be the 6th most beautiful sky garden of the world. This sky garden is the most urban place where you can in and can enjoy all your daily stints. The joggers and walkers can walk their hearts out. The rest can make themselves seated to further enjoy the beautiful views. The park is also dedicated to the wild flora and thus you will come across beautiful meadows, brooks, sunlongers and some of the views of Hudson River. Number 5. The Barbican Conservatory. It is located in London. The Barbican Conservatory is considered to be the 5th best sky garden in the world. The largest art center of the country is situated here and this conservatory is also home to galleries, theatres as well as concert halls. The roof also accompanies a great conservatory which has been further split into two. This is also referred to as the second largest greenhouse in the city. Number 4. Gardens by the Bay. Gardens by the Bay was constructed in the year 2012 in Singapore and this beautiful place is considered to be the 3rd best sky garden of the world. The beautiful concept of a city in a garden has made this place all the more popular and hence it has become a major tourist attraction. This horticulture theme park has a cloud forest which is considered to be the center of attraction of the entire area. Beside this place is a home to exotic greenery that is worth your sight. Number 3. Kensington Roof Gardens. Kensington Roof Gardens of London are known to be the 3rd most beautiful sky gardens of the world. This place is considered to be a palatial green terrace located in the district of Kensington in London. This beautiful place is flanked by the ferns, mountains, flowers and a number of other exotic creations. There are rocks and flamingos too. This garden entertains 3 different themes, namely English, Spanish as well as Tudor. Number 2. Rockefeller Center Roof Garden. This is yet another sky garden located in New York, which is considered to be the 2nd most beautiful sky garden in the world. This sky garden also happens to be the favorite spot of all the Hollywood directors where they shoot for their movies. A must-go place, this sky garden will attract almost all the tourists toward its beauty and you will definitely end up having a good time here. Number 1. Kesar Roof Garden. Kesar Roof Garden is considered to be the most beautiful sky garden in the world. This sky garden is located in California and the concept of it is inspired by the rooftop backyard of Rockefeller in the city of New York. This sky garden is all about greenery and the quaint beauty. It also comprises of a water feature, a wooden bridge as well as a fountain.
She takes